Hi everybody, today we are at Great Wolf Lodge in Mason, Ohio. We are waiting for Grayson to get here. His daddy is actually dropping him off right now. He had school today, so we came up a little bit early, checked into the room, got settled in, and we've just been waiting for him to get here so we can go down to the water park and do the water coaster that he is now tall enough for. So we're gonna play at the water park, get some pizza, play in the arcade, and just hang out. So anyway, we'll see you guys down at the water park.
The River Racer, that is the name of the water coaster that we are going to do right now. Let's go. We are here on a weekday, and there is hardly any wait for the water coaster or the family ramp ride. Are you so excited? Yes, no wait, yay! Not bad at all. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna do that one. That's right, you're tall enough. Yay! We're waiting for our boat. Yeah. Oh my God!
Yeah! Dark, it's dark.
He's the toughest grandpa I know. He never gets tired. He never needs rest. He just keeps going. Lots and lots of steps. That's the line for the slides. Yay, are you excited? Waiting for the light to turn. Okay, you can go. Have fun. That's actually pretty fun. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Making the trusty walk back to the room. You ready for some pizza, buddy? Yeah.
Okay, so I got Sheila this little drink here. It's called Malibu Mistletoe Punch from Grizzly Rob's Bar inside the water park here at Great Wolf Lodge. This was about $19 after tax. They advertise it for about $16. There's a non-alcoholic option, and I will show you the picture of that, and I'll show you what those are called. And then there's another option as well that's about the same price as this. Ooh, cool. This is awesome, man. I am loving this. I feel like I'm on vacation.
Silly Magi. I'm on this quest before I waste my time.
Silly Magi.
Until then, I wouldn't believe the time of day.
You found 100 gold.
Ooh, you found 100 gold. Nice. Oh, watch your fingers. I'm just kidding. There's definitely glass protecting kids from getting little fingers pinched. Man, what is that? Oh, holy cow! Wow. I think that's a, employee door. Yeah. Okay, we're going there. A Magi must perform his tasks in the right order. Get started. Oh, okay. Oh, I guess it is a Magic Quest thing. I always wondered that. Let me see.
Nice, so I'll sing you a love song. You don't want to hear me sing?
I've never seen that. It's not new. I know it's always been there, but I didn't know if it was a Magic Quest thing. I thought it was part of like the decor. You know? Yeah. It'd be cool if they got the wolves to howl at you. That'd be awesome.
You have found 50 gold hidden in my book.
Oh my god, I wish we found 50 gold. Do you know what that's going for these days?
Charlotte, finally.
An ounce? I mean like 1 troy ounce? Whoa, that was long range, man. I don't think she'll wake up. She doesn't work on demo mode.
I think we need to check that whenever
Yep.
he's done.
Okay, let's move.
No, we already know that.
Let's go.
Lady in the leaves.
Cool.
I see you have found all the dazzle crystals.
It'll work if you cast your spell a little closer. Maybe it doesn't. Wow. That log is bummed out, man. It's all used up. He's winding up. Okay. Whip that magic up. Whip it up. Okay. All right, keep going. Whoa.
Only a master magi can open this one.
He's like, come on. You're not a master magi yet. That was awesome. Yeah, whip up that spell, man. Come on. Pull it out of the ether. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Keep moving. Behind you. Wait. That was kind of cool. Come on, man. What else do we have? That's cool. Can we look at your wand? Let's get a look at your wand, man. Can I see that? You got your bear slippers? Let me see this thing, man.
It won't work with that one.
So that's just like one of many wands you can get at Magic Quest. This thing is like 20 something dollars, and then like I think the topper was around 16 or 18 bucks or something like that. Oh, cool. And we have it in demo mode because he's really little and doesn't understand the game. But for all intents and purposes, it works really well. Just something to react. Okay. All right, everybody. This is called 10 Paws Alley at Great Wolf Lodge. This is something we've never done before. It is $7 per person. They give you a little token when you pay your admission. And we'll see what happens here. How many players? It's just one. Just going to watch Grayson play. Go to next. Okay. Bowling. We're going to do, I guess we'll do this. All right. We're going to put Grayson. Yeah. Right? Whatever that is. So you pay up there where you buy your tickets, where you buy your cards. Okay, wait till they set up the pins. It's extremely loud. All right, little bud. There's your pins. Knock yourself out. Oh yeah. Good ball. Keep trying, bro. Go ahead, buddy. Do you have a favorite ball? It's not like a real bowling alley like Splitsville down in Orlando. They all weigh the same. See, he's like a pro. Oh yeah, Grandma, look at that. Nice. You hit it. Good job, man. All right. 7 pins. 10 Paws Alley. Or 10 Paw Alley. $7. Missy. Okay, I want you to knock it down. Go ahead. Come on, man. He's waiting for his special ball. As if he's used to the different weights on real bowling balls. Oh man. I really think this one's going to be special. Oh yeah! Nice, man. Good job. Wow. This is awesome. We have never done this before, and I think we're going to continue. We're going to do this again. Go ahead and get another ball and knock it down. It'll reset. A little bit of a glitch there. There you go. That should reset it. We'll see. Yep. Hold on, wait. And the ball's still there. That's funny. Cap will take care of that in a minute. I'll make sure to work at that. Maybe he will. Holy cow! It's... What? You got cheated. I'm glad I got that on camera because that will never happen ever again. That is amazing. Oh yeah! Give it here. Yeah, man. That was awesome.
First thing in the morning, heading to the water park. Let's go. I think we're gonna do the water coaster first.
Let's do the river racer. Good job, buddy. Hang on tight. Let's go. The water park opened at 10 and we came straight to the river racer and no wait.
All right, so I'm about to ride the triple twist, and I think I'll go ahead and skip Coyote Canyon. Not too big for that, that's the first line. And then I'm gonna ride Alberta Falls. It's Alberta Falls first. Now for the triple twist.
Worst part of leaving the water park. It's just a little frosty, Grayson.
All right, folks, we had a wonderful time at Great Wolf Lodge. As you can see, we are back home. Be sure to join us on our next adventure. We will be going down to Tennessee. We are renting a cabin for a few days, and then we are going over to Wilderness at the Smokies and playing at the Wild Water Dome. We'll check out the Swimmin' Chicken and do some things there that we haven't done before. We will also be going to Margaritaville Compass, I think it is. Yes, brand new hotel. We'll be staying there. We will review that and show you all the ins and outs. We're gonna have a great time. We can't wait to see you there. If you like this video and this content, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave comments down below. Thank you for watching.